Hell was a very real place in the minds of early and medieval Christians. It's a very real place in the minds of people now, still. But I'm deeply, deeply thankful that in Unity and New Thought communities, the focus is on spirituality, and the focus is on life of the body, but life of the spirit is the real. The life of the body is temporary. That hell is of our own creation. We can be in hell in this moment, in our thoughts, in our words, in our deeds. And it's our heart of love that opens that cage and finds that freedom. We can escape the hell too. I am so thankful for that. And I hope that we never forget there have been a lot of twists and turns in humanity's search for divinity, and all along in that external search, that divinity was right here, inside us all the time.